Online and mobile banking offer powerful card control features that allow you to lock and unlock your card, report it lost or stolen, receive real-time transaction security alerts, and more. Let's log in and take a look. At the bottom of the screen, select More. Then, click Accounts and Card Management. Swipe through the available cards on your screen to choose which card you would like to control. Let's start with a debit card. Scroll to the bottom of the screen to see your card management options. The Lock Card option will place a temporary lock on your card. You can unlock your card at any time. This protects you if your card has been misplaced to prevent future authorizations. Any charges you have previously authorized will still go through as usual. You may also choose to report your card as lost or stolen. This will immediately close your card and prevent new purchases and previously authorized purchases. You can stop fraudsters in their tracks by setting up real-time transaction alerts under Alerts and Controls, Manage Card Alerts. You will receive an email or text within seconds anytime a transaction is authorized above an amount that you determine. Don't recognize the transaction? Lock the card while you investigate. Now, let's look at the Travel Notices tab, where you can tell the credit union about any future travel plans where your card might be used. Click Add New Travel Notice, enter in your travel dates, your destination, and then save. Did you have a change of plans? You can go into the app to delete any travel notices that you have submitted. Do you shop online with Amazon, Walmart, or other large retailers? Online shopping lets you add your cards to your favorite online retail stores for easy checkout. If your card number or expiration date changes, it is a quick and easy way to automatically update to all the retail stores you've added the card to. All of these powerful features are also available for your credit card. Something unique to your Visa Platinum card is the balance transfer option. This allows you to transfer a balance from another financial institution to your ORNL FCU card. Enter in the required information and we will send a payment for the amount you specify. That amount will be added to your current balance, with no balance transfer fee. One more helpful feature for our credit card members: your credit card info can be found under the Accounts tab. Enroll in the card information site. Enter your personal information for verification. Once enrolled, you'll be able to view details of your recent credit card transactions, statements, your reward points, and more. Thank you for being a member of ORNL Federal Credit Union. For more info, visit ornlfcu.com or give us a call toll-free at 800-676-5328.